open source community have been established to address the challenges which Telco and other the service provider facing when attempting to transform to digital business operation. The mission of an open source community is to enable the operator to execution ICT transformation required to enhance the life of the digital.
Implementing the roads experience is a journey, one which many companies are still on and one which many companies haven't gotten right yet. So I don't think you should be afraid to start to identify one of the elements and focus on that.
I think in future we need to understand customer more, not just his profile, maybe his relationship with the society, and also the customer behavior, which what we call the customer life cycle management.
The challenge is defining what makes more sense to be doing inside the telco infrastructure for cloud and what makes sense to be doing outside in and over the top type mentality. The opportunity right now is to bring the rest of the industry forward in that cloud transition and help them understand what makes sense to be doing in cloud in the network.
Well, the first part of that is why should they change their business model? And I'd argue that they're being disrupted. They're being disrupted digitally. Paradoxically, they've been the source of a lot of digital disruption. They need to find ways of adding value, both to their existing customers and to new customers, through their key assets.
So there are several steps for the operator to transform. The first thing is to prepare the people, the culture, the skills. The second step is to have maturity of the industry.
And the last and most important part is never end in the reference architecture, pushing from the reference architecture to the reference implementation. This is very important.
So open source community is essentially a way to define all those. How we essentially define that digital vision, how we define that partner onboarding, how we define that partner integration, and essentially it allows us to work with other digital service providers. It allows us to work with other communication service providers. So this is really the right platform for us to get involved into and participate as well as learn from it.
Well, I think it's very clear from this event, from all the attendants. We need to listen from the millennials. We need to listen from other industries because we are thinking from experience, operations, and ICT infrastructure. We need to listen beyond the telco industries. So this is definitely the way we need to move forward, and people would like to see in the November London event.